In this section, we're going to take a look at some problems that are going to use the sum and difference formulas. So if you want to take a few minutes to go ahead and jot down these formulas, go ahead and pause your screen, and then you can jot these down, and then we'll take a look at an example. Let's take a look at finding the exact value of cosine of 15 degrees. In these problems, we want to work with the values that we already know and already have exact values for, such as 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, etc. So let's take a look at rewriting the 15 degrees. We can rewrite this as cosine of 60 degrees minus 45 degrees. That's one way we could rewrite it. You could also choose to do cosine of 45 degrees minus 30 degrees. That would be okay as well. Whatever you kind of see first and whatever is going to work best for you, go ahead and select that. So we're going to be using our difference formula for cosine that you see over here on the right hand side. And let's go ahead and plug in the pieces that we already have. So we're going to let our alpha, or our a value, be 60. And our beta, or b value, is going to be 45. So once we apply our formula, this is going to be the same thing as saying cosine of 60 degrees times cosine of 45 plus sine of 60 degrees times sine of 45. Now, when you're working from here and you're going to be substituting, right? And you can pick some of these values off the chart, or if you want to use your calculator. Right? I want to replace cosine of 60 degrees with an exact value. So if we take a look down here at our chart, cosine of 60 degrees is going to be the same thing as 1/2. Cosine of 45 degrees is radical 2 over 2. Sine of 60 degrees is radical 3 over 2. And sine of 45 degrees is radical 2 over 2. Notice you don't have any more trig functions at this point. We can go ahead and simplify what we have. When you're multiplying here, remember when you multiply fractions, you're multiplying straight across. So this is going to give us radical 2 on top and a 4 as our denominator. And on our next piece, radical 3 times radical 2 is going to give us a radical 6 over 4. Now we have two fractions. We can go ahead and add these since they have common denominators. Alright, we're going to keep our denominator. On top, the radical 2 and the radical 6 are not like terms, so we're going to leave them exactly like we see them. So this would be our final answer as an exact value.